Hello kids, welcome to Acknowledge series by Amit Publications. My name is Achal Sethi and I will be taking up a computer series for class 1. This is your book, Let's Click, a trendy way to learn computers. And today we will begin with chapter number 5, using the mouse. Now, do you remember that we have read about the computer mouse in previous classes also? Yes. What is the mouse used for? Very good. It is used to select and open things that you see on your computer screen, right? So, what does it look like? It looks like a real mouse that we see in or around our house. So, let us read about this in more detail. What is mouse? A mouse helps us to select and open things on the monitor. Whatever you see on the screen, you can open or select it using the mouse. Okay. It is used to draw or color pictures and also to play games. These are the two buttons. This is the left button and this is the right button, and this in the middle is the scroll wheel. Right, children? A mouse has two buttons, a left button and a right button, and a scroll wheel in the center, right? Now, what do we see here? This is a pointer. This is a small arrow that you see on your screen when you move your mouse. This is called a pointer. When we move the mouse, we can see a small arrow moving on the monitor, and this arrow is called the mouse pointer, right? And now I'll tell you what is the proper way to hold a mouse. You place the palm of your right hand on the mouse, right? Like this. Place your palm and put your thumb on the left side of the mouse, your index finger. This pointer finger is also called index finger, and we place it on the left button of the mouse and your middle finger on the right button. Right, children? Is it clear? Now, let's talk about the mouse action. We press the buttons on the mouse to do different actions. Pressing a button on the mouse is called clicking, right? Single click and double click. These are the two actions that a mouse can do. So, when you hold the mouse in your hand, then you press the button that is under your index finger once, then it becomes a single click. Otherwise, when you click it twice, it becomes a double click. Okay, so when we click the left mouse button once, it is called a single click. It is used to select an object on the screen. Whenever you want to select anything, you just need to click it once, and for that you need a single click action of the mouse. Now, if you want to open some file or a program, you need to double click, and that too very quickly. Very quickly you need to click the mouse and it will open the program or the file. Now, we have a scroll wheel in the middle. What is it used for? So, when we place our index finger on the scroll wheel and roll it, this action is called scrolling, right? It is used to move a page on the screen up or down. We use the scroll wheel to scroll on the page. Now, there is one more action that is called dragging. How do we use it? When we keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse. This is called dragging. Okay, you have to move the mouse, but you have to keep in mind that you keep the left mouse button pressed, right? Then it will be dragging. Now, let us recall whatever we have done. The mouse helps us to select and open things on the monitor. A mouse is used to draw or color pictures and play games. When we move the mouse, we can see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. When we click the left mouse button twice, the very quickly, it is called a double click. And when we place our index finger on the scroll wheel and roll it, this action is called scrolling, right? When we keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse, it is called dragging. Right, children? Let us start doing the exercises. Let us implement. Pick the correct option. First one says, clicking the left mouse button once is called double click, dragging, single click, or dropping. Yes, it is a single click, right? While using the mouse, place your dash on the right button. Which finger should you place on the right button? Exactly, the middle finger. Very good. A mouse can have dash button and a scroll wheel. So, how many buttons can a mouse have? It can have 2 buttons, right? Also, while using the mouse, place your dash on the mouse. What should be placed on the mouse? Index finger, thumb, middle finger, 5. So, while using fourth part, it says, while using the mouse, place your dash on the left button on the mouse. What are the options? Index finger, thumb, middle finger, and 5. So, on the left mouse button, we place our index finger, right? Very good. Let's move on. Question number 2 says, fill in the blanks with the correct words. These are the hints given to us. We use these words and fill these blanks. First question says, a mouse helps us to dash and dash things on the monitor. So, quickly tell me, what does a mouse help us to do? It helps us to select. A mouse helps us to select and open things on the monitor, right? Next one, a mouse is used to dash or color pictures and dash games. See here, what is it used for? Can you find the answer? A mouse is used to Second one says, a mouse is used to dash or color pictures and dash games. Mouse is used to draw or color pictures and play games, right? Now, pressing a button on the mouse is called clicking, right? This is right, clicking here. Right, children? Next one says, that helps us to move a page on the screen up or down. So, for that we use a scroll. Scroll is used to move a page up and down. Right, children? Let's move on. So, that was all for this chapter. Stay later for the next chapter, children. Bye-bye.